Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to organize folder by using group by feature in Windows. So we are in download folder. Now you see multiple files with multiple types. Some file is doc file, application file, .exe file. So we are going to organize it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to organize by using group by feature. Right click on it and then you see group by. In group by you see name, date modified, type, size, and then you see ascending, descending, and then you see more. So click on more. In more you see multiple option, album ID, account name. So you can use according to requirement. Now cancel. Again right click on it. Now you see group by name. Again right click on it. Group by date modified. Now you see today, yesterday, last week. Again right click on it. Group by, now you see type. Now you see application, AVIF file, configuration setting. Right click on it. Group by, now you see size. Now you see large 1 to 8 MB, medium. Again right click on it. In group by you see ascending descending feature also. So you can select according to requirement. So we select date modified and we are using Windows 10. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.